Hello, and welcome to the Oregon Department of Revenue tutorial about our website, Revenue Online. Revenue Online is available via the main Department of Revenue webpage at the top right-hand corner, shown here. The Respond to a Letter function allows you to respond to some of our most common letters requesting information needed to complete processing a return. The link can be found on the Revenue Online homepage in the Quick Links panel. The first page will ask for the letter ID of the letter you're responding to, taxpayer last name, or business name. You will then be asked for contact information. The next screen allows you to upload your files. You are limited to 25 files. If the files you need to submit exceed these limits, once you've completed submitting the files, you can go through the process again. Once you've submitted the files, click on the Submit button to complete the submission process. Once you've submitted the files, you'll receive a confirmation code. Keep it for your records. Thanks for using Revenue Online. Your success in submitting your information helps the Oregon Department of Revenue maintain a good working relationship with the many Oregonians using our system.